If you're seeing a Lucidchart subscription error, a failed payment message, or an account access problem, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest way to check your subscription, troubleshoot billing issues, fix login errors, and contact Lucid support if needed. This is a simple step-by-step guide you can follow even if you're not technical. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. Let's start with the first and most important step. Verifying your account and subscription status. Log into your Lucidchart account first, then look to the top right corner and click your profile icon or initials. From there, choose Account Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click Plans and Billing on the left-hand side. This page is where you can confirm exactly what plan you're on, whether your subscription is active, whether it has expired, or whether an upgrade is still pending. A lot of subscription errors come from simply being logged into the wrong account, so double check that the email address matches the one you used when purchasing Lucidchart. Now, let's move to billing problems, because if your payment failed or your upgrade didn't go through, the issue is often related to your payment method. On the Plans and Billing page, make sure your credit card number is correct, your expiration date is current, and your billing address matches what your bank has on file. Even a small mismatch can cause a subscription to fail. Also, check your email inbox carefully, including spam and junk folders, for a message from Lucid that says your payment has been declined or that action is required. If you find that email, it usually means the transaction was blocked before the subscription could renew. If everything looks correct on your side but the payment still won't process, the next thing to do is contact your bank or card issuer. Some banks automatically block international software charges, recurring subscriptions, or online auto-renewals for security reasons. This is especially common with regional payment rules or fraud filters. Let your bank know that you're trying to approve a Lucidchart subscription and ask them to allow the transaction. Once your bank releases the block, try the payment again in Lucidchart. If you're not dealing with a payment issue but instead you're seeing an access error like 401 unauthorized or an account error, the problem may be browser related or authentication related. The first fix here is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, then select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you choose Cookies, Site Data, Cached Images, and Files, and set the time range to all time. After that, click Delete Data, then close and reopen your browser and try Lucidchart again. If the issue still continues, open an Incognito or private window and sign in there. This is a great test because it removes most browser extensions and stored data from the equation. If Lucidchart works in incognito mode, then your normal browser is probably being affected by a cached session, an extension, or something like an ad blocker. In that case, disable extensions one by one or continue using a clean browser session until the error is gone. Another very important thing to check is how you originally signed in. If you purchased Lucidchart using Google SSO, Apple ID, or email and password, you need to log in the exact same way every time. Many users get subscription errors simply because they try a different login method than the one tied to the paid account. So if you originally used Google, don't switch to email. If you used email, don't switch to Apple. Matching the original login method can instantly restore access. If you've verified your plan, fixed your billing details, cleared your browser, and still can't get in, then it's time to contact Lucid billing support directly. This is the best option if you need a refund, plan cancellation, invoice correction, or help with tax information. To do that, search for the Lucid Help Center in your browser, go to the billing section and choose Failed Payment, then scroll through the page until you find the Contact Lucid link. Open the billing form in the new tab and carefully fill in your account email, payment details, and a clear description of the issue. If you have a screenshot of the error, attach it as well. Then submit the request and wait for their support team to respond. So to quickly recap, the best way to fix a Lucidchart subscription error is to confirm you're in the right account, check your billing and payment details, clear your browser data, test in incognito mode, make sure you're using the original login method, and contact Lucid support if the issue is still not resolved. That workflow solves most subscription and access problems without wasting time. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next software troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.